Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to edit a read-only file in Microsoft Word on Android. In order to do so, first off we are opening up Microsoft Word and we're going to use a file that I sent myself for the purposes of testing this, and this is password protected. So you'll see that once you open it up, it says read only, save a copy to edit. So that's what we want to do. In order to be able to edit this, we're going to save a copy. And we'll go ahead and do that on this device. Looks like we've got to allow access to all files in the settings, so we'll go ahead and do that. Just gives you an idea of what you might encounter. So we want to toggle that on. Then we're going to hit back. And we'll go ahead and save that in storage. Let's see if we have, we'll just store that in download. Save that there. Give it a moment here to do its thing. Okay, and we have now saved it directly to the device, and now we can continue to edit the document. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more helpful tips.